my name is Pei, your Freebird online manager.
Today I'm going to introduce you a 4-inch high platform wedge in Gladiator style.
Remember the one I introduced you yesterday? This is the flat version, and this is a one in platform and wedge design. It has got a 4-inch high heel here. It's also a Gladiator style, so the rivets and functional buckles, as well as the curves and the fine straps, all the same design.
But it comes in 2 colors, light chocolate brown and blue.
So it's a nice pair of platform wedge.